Welcome again to Grow with Bee. This is Bee, and this is Bee's Hive. Tonight we are showing you how even plant killers can grow 30 plants in your home, in your living room, in your kitchen, dining room, in your basement, in your shed even. Straight from home without pests and with the help of AI, Kelby. If you want fresh food straight from your living room, stick around. Plus, we have a $100 discount just for tuning in. If you haven't already, subscribe and tap that bell button so that you get notifications when I post videos, because I post them often. Most people think that you need a yard or tons of time, but the truth is, growing a garden, this one is set it and forget it, which is amazing. It's so different. We literally plug this in, add water to it, and it told us what to do. It gives us a step-by-step. It has videos to walk you through the whole setup. And if you have any questions, your assistant, your AI assistant, can always answer them. It has even forums that, you know, the frequently asked questions that will provide any kind of answers and clarity so that you make sure your setup is everything you need. So no green thumbs. Garden was made just for you. Too busy of a schedule. Again, this garden is for you. It has a built-in light schedule that your assistant AI, Kelby, sets for you, a water schedule. And it has information on the room that you have it in. So if the room is too hot, too much saturation, it will let you know this is not the right room for you. You need to change something. It needs to be cooler. And it also monitors your growth. So there are 2 cameras on the lights that you see when you get one. There's one here.
So camera?
Yeah, this. And then I think there's one up here. That's what the AI uses to monitor the growth and let you know, hey, you need pruning on your plant, things like that. But it's easy. The setup is you just plug it in, put the water in, set the little Y pods in the carriers, which is this. This is the box where the Y pods come in. This is the carrier, and it holds the water in here. This is a used one, clearly. And it's exciting. And after 4 weeks, you can harvest lettuce. You can harvest a few greens within the 4 weeks. 6 weeks is when you harvest most of your things. So we have, that is green salanova. We have kale, 2 different kinds of kale. That's that's red tatsoi. We have dill, and this is already seeding. These are the seeds. This is kale. We have perpetual spinach.
Nice.
The app is pretty amazing. It has everything you need in it. It tells you how good you're doing, right? It tells you what your light setting is on. Typically, your schedule will be right here for your light setting. It says it's okay. I had to personalize mine because I have different phases of growth right now. I have ones that are already ready for harvest, and I have ones that are just in their second phase. So I don't want to burn the new ones' leaves too much. And then you have your water settings, and it'll tell you if you have it full. I just filled mine yesterday. And this AI assistant sets your water for you. It sets your lighting for you. And it reminds you when you need to clean your tank. So this is a 5-gallon tank, and you water it at the bottom.
that a power button?
Yeah, that's the power button. That's what you use to set the whole thing. Every time you purchase and you have your packet ready to go, delivered to you, they give you one free tub of the plant food and a scooper. And it helps these plants grow amazingly. I mean, it's just doing a phenomenal job. Let's see. Right now, I'm growing 30 plants, but we do have a smaller system that grows 16 plants. My best friend said, "Oh, I don't have enough space," and I'm like, "No, it's okay. We have a smaller version. There's one even smaller, and it has just one light instead of the two. So if you have any issues with the size of it, this is the biggest size it'll ever have." Huh, perfect. It just turned off. Oh, it's 9:30. This is the time. So I have the timer set for 9:30 for it to be dim from 9 to 9:30. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section. Again, there's $100 discount just for tuning in. I wanted to be healthier and my family to be healthier, so we decided to get one of these. But being a mom with 2 kids is very hectic, and I didn't have such a steady schedule, and it's pretty much you just go, go, go. So I needed something like this. And I was dealing with a lot of the pests and the rodents outside that were killing my plants. So I needed something to help me help my family. And this was my solution. And I do not regret it one bit. This has been the best purchase ever. So the kids are always picking at the leaves and choosing which one they want to eat today. So it's fun. We have on here, there's already some set. If you have any of the pods that you're done using, say, I think I have one that I'm not using anymore. So this is what it looks like. Look. And this, you have to make sure that the roots stay in when you are still using it. This plant we just harvested, this was purple kohlrabi. And I have to remove this. But when you're done using it, you remove it. And you put the lid on here to close up so that there's no mold growing in there. These lids are separate. They do come separate. You have to purchase 5-pack, and I think that was, how much was that? I don't even know how much that was, but it's on your app. So when you get this machine, you have your app that reminds you of everything, and it gives you the shopping list. So when you get your machine, you can choose a membership. And when you get your membership, depending on what machine you get, what membership you choose, you get a certain amount of credits every month, and you get free shipping. So you can go shop in their store and purchase, say you want some strawberries or some cucumbers. I'm doing fairy tale eggplants, and you wanted that as a free gift. They'll ship it to you for free. And that's a part of your membership. It's just extra credits that you can buy whatever. And their shop has so many extra plants. They have white petunias, fruits, veggies, anything you can think of. I mean, it's pretty much in there. It shocked me. It shocked me, the variety that they have. So cool. I've never known anything like this. And if you wanted to ever transplant these plants from the garden to the outdoor garden, you can also do that too. I transplanted the green tatsoi, the red tatsoi that I had showed you in the garden over there. Transplanted the green tatsoi, and that is right here. It started off in the garden. I mean, it's still growing. And I transplanted that, I want to say 2 weeks ago. These are from there. They grew as babies here. Just use this as a beginner to grow any kind of different plants that you want on your own instead of theirs, you can do that too. And this is a perfect way to healthily grow it to the phase that you want it to then transplant it to the outdoor garden. I love this thing. This thing is, whoever invented it, they knew what they were doing. They were on a mission and they made sure you had a successful harvest. And that's just the key thing. You never know what you're going to expect in the outdoor garden, whatever hits. If there's droughts, things like that, it happens. But with the indoor garden, you don't have to worry about those kinds of things. So that's the beauty of this garden. So I hope to see more people grow with me. And I want to thank you guys for tuning in with me.